Good morning, trading world. And here we are. Something that I've maybe only seen once before. This is rarely ever seen. But right now, looking at the chart in the overnight session, we reached limit down where the market, for safety reasons and panic reasons, is a level where it shuts all trading down for the futures. Whenever the futures reach 5% down in any given session, it will halt trading. And looking at the chart, this is what you're seeing right here that happened in the overnight session around 21:45. So it's funny to look at on the chart because I've never seen the indicator do this where the energy is that low. But it's because trading has been halted. So coming into today, I have no idea what's going to happen, whether we are even going to be able to trade, which does in fact put a hamper on levels that I see because of the inactivity. Um, we will probably open up at 9:30 to trade, but I guess if we reach another 5% down, it will be halted. I guess that's how it works. It's 5% down in any given session. So I'm guessing the overnight session is to its own, and then today we could get another 5% down once the 9:30 open happens. Um, I'll do some research on that to see and figure that out. Um, Matter of fact, let's do it. All right. According to a little bit of research, it seems like trading will be stopped or halted until the coordinated or cash open at 9:30, and then at that point we have these other levels and triggers. So if we reach 7% down, it'll be halted again. Um, Level 2, 13% decline, and level 3, 20% decline. So successive price limits corresponding to 7, 13, and 20% declines below the previous trading day reference price. So those are the rules for this limit down. So, what brings us to the market outlook for the day? I really don't trust the support levels that I have on the NQ, mainly because right now it is so cloudy, it is hard to see. So, um, the level that I really trust, well, the level that I really trust on the support side is going to be this 79.75, which is the king support. The jack and queen levels, it's really, really cloudy, so it's hard to see what's actually going on out there right now. So, what I could come up with, uh, the level is going to be 80.50 for the jack support, and then for the queen support, I'm looking at 80.20, Resistance levels, Jack resistance level, we're looking at 81.86. And then Queen resistance level, we're looking at 83.06. And then King resistance level, we're looking at 83.60. So this could be kind of a crazy session. I don't know how this is going to happen. I don't know whether the short covering is going to be massive and kind of make us on a kind of extreme run up, which would take us to maybe King resistance level, or try to take us back to that gap. So we just don't know. But it is crazy to think about an overnight gap. Let's see, from where we are now, we basically on the NASDAQ have almost a 400 point overnight gap. That is crazy. So, those are the levels. Again, be very, very careful. I'm definitely looking for places to get in and short. Not too sure. Depends on how the indicators with this trading halt. It has the indicators looking crazy, so I have no idea as to how to really watch this, because this trading halt kind of it muddies everything. So the data is not true. So it's hard to see see your way around. You have to kind of fumble around in the dark, and so on the buy side, even though this could turn into like a pretty decent bounce temporarily for the morning, if this does, even if this is a trend day down, usually in the trend day models, you usually try to fill the gap to some degree, and that bounce to fill the gap, even on a normal trend day, usually that's a good trade for me. But right now, it is so muddy as terms as indicators. We just have to wait and see when the market opens, because I'm not sure how to interpret this. So when you're not sure, or when there's doubt at these type of levels where things could swing 50 points at any given time, or 100 points at any given time, it is best to sit on your hands. Don't trade, don't risk it. So that's pretty much what we will do at the open. See how this kind of affects if we get a straight down drop to one of the support levels, and see how things kind of shape up from there. But that is where we are and what we're looking at today. Told you that the selling was not over. Beware. And we were saving up for a vicious move, and this is vicious. As always, wishing you profitable trading. Be safe, cap your risk, and make some money.